Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm gonna do unboxing of MT26. This version is a cheaper version of MT200 which I have already unboxed on my channel. So let me just unbox this and see what's inside the box and all of its features. And if you want to check MT200 review, link is in the description, but this one is a cheaper version compared to that one, and you can buy this on AliExpress. Link is in the description. Seller is Zorwing, and it comes with an AMOLED display. Both of them comes with an AMOLED display. It has 1.43 inches real AMOLED display, and it has Bluetooth calling feature. The application it supports is Zoom Fit application, which you can download on App Store and Google Play Store. So let me put the box. There's nothing inside the box, and here's a user manual. So we don't actually need that. It's very easy to pair these watches actually. So there's the plastic on the sticker, and the design, as you can see, is very similar to MT200, but I will tell you what are the differences in few minutes. So the charging dock is replaced by an Apple Watch Ultra dock. As you can see, it comes with the Apple Watch, every Apple Watches, which MT200 comes with a black dock, which is similar to Amazfit GTS. So let me peel the sticker off, and on the back side we have sticker as well. So the heart rate sensor that they are using in these versions is really great compared to for example, Apple Watch Ultra copies. So let me just power this on. There's actually another button, which is, I believe, a power button. So on the back hand side, as you can see, we have different sensors. It has also blood pressure sensor as well, and on the left hand side we have a speaker as well. So it can receive calls and make calls. So as you can see, the AMOLED display is really good in this one as well. And on MT200 they are also using very good display. I don't know why it's flickering, but it's trust me, it's only in the video, but in real it's not flickering. So these are the watch faces that we have, and the display, guys, is amazing in my opinion. Bezel size is also very thin, and this is the power button. This is the second button. You can turn off and on the watch, and on the right hand side we have sports mode, heart rate sensor. So let me just show you quickly. If I go into settings, brightness, let me turn down the brightness. And the crown key, it's not an haptic feedback. We don't get any haptic feedback on the crown key, but we have a tactile feeling, a clicky sound, which I really don't like personally. They should have made this similar to Hello Watch 3 or HK9 Ultra 2 with haptic feedback. So if I go into about, as you can see, we have the model number MT26, and you can order this in silver as well, but I've ordered it in black color, which looks really good in my opinion. Now let me just show you quickly. If I swipe from the top, as you can see, we have quick settings. If I swipe from the bottom, we have messages and notifications. Swipe left, we have quick menu, and right hand side sports mode, heart rate monitor. We have blood pressure sensor as well, music application. You can add more components in this one, and weather application, voice assistant, SpO2. So really great features. It also has palm gesture and wrist to wake feature. Currently I think it's turned off in Zoom Fit application. So here's the list menu, and there is another menu style which looks really weird actually. This one, I really don't like this one. So you can change it by pressing the crown key, and here's another one. As you can see, we can zoom here, and here is another style. Honestly, it looks very cartoonish, but this one is good, as you can see. The main one is this one, list one, which I really like. Looks really good. So it has 22 strap size, so you can easily replace the straps as well. And let me just pair it with my phone and show you the application, and let's see how many watch faces we are getting. So you can download the application in App Store and Play Store as well. So let me just pair it. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. So let me just go back and see. Let's try again, and as you can see, we have MT26. Click on pair, allow, and you can turn on these notifications as per your preference. So I'm going to turn on all the features. And let's see how many watch faces that we are getting. And currently, as you can see, the wrist to wake feature is not working. I believe you can turn this on in settings. I will show you that later. And here we have watch faces. So actually, compared to MT200, there are very few watch faces in MT26, which is actually quite disappointing. But in the end, it's cheaper compared to MT200. So these are all the watch faces, as you can see, guys. Really disappointing that they didn't add that many watch faces compared to MT200. So let me just set this one, and let's see how much time it takes to install. As you can see, it's installing really fast, which I like about these smartwatches. Installation is very fast, and as you can see, looks really good on AMOLED display. So let me just go back and see. Raise to wake feature is already turned on, but we are going to click on that again and see if it works. I believe that you have to wear this one to make it work properly. So there is a feature, as you can see, you can set your customized watch face, but it says in the application online dial, which is very confusing. Here you can select your own custom image, and you can select the position of font, and but you cannot unfortunately change the color of the font, which you can do on MT200, which is actually quite disappointing as well. But the watch is cheaper in comparison to MT200. And the wrist to wake feature, as you can see, is working. Once you wear it, it's working fine. But there is one thing, guys. If you turn on the always on display, it won't work actually, the raise to wake feature. I don't know if there's a bug, or by software update they will fix it. I'm not sure. So let's check the heart rate sensor. And as you can see, it's measuring. So let me take off the watch and see if it measures like this. And as you can see, not worn. Instantly we get an error message. It's not picking up, which is very good. That means they are using a good sensor in this one. And in MT200 they are also using a very good sensor. So it can measure your heart rate and blood pressure as well, blood oxygen, SpO2 levels. Here's the quick animation of sports mode. And let me show you always on display. This is the digital one, and it looks really good. It's not very dim compared to other smartwatches. Let me just show you pointer one as well. analog one. So click OK. And this one also looks really good, guys, as you can see. So overall the watch is really good, guys. The bezel size is thin and the build quality is also great. In this price range I cannot complain, guys, because other watches are really expensive. And if you want to purchase this, you can buy from Zorwing. Link is in the description. You can order this on AliExpress. And that's it for the reviews, guys. If you like my videos, guys, please do give it a thumbs up. And sorry for my bad English, as English is not my native language, but I try my best so you can understand me. And please share this video, comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel. And here, as you can see, we have a custom watch face that you can set, but unfortunately you cannot change the phone color. And again, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.